This is a dog-to-dog video of Duke and Ham, who we renamed Sam. They're both unaltered males. They're both beautiful German Shepherds. Yeah, they literally met 1-2 minutes ago.
They're doing great.
They sure are. Sam is the red and black German Shepherd with a little bit of white. And Duke is the black and tan traditional. Look at those tails wag. Beautiful boys. They want to play, I think. Aww. They both need rescue. Look how gorgeous they are.
Yeah, Sam's been here for a while.
Yes. Sam, the one on the right, is in danger. Duke, the one on the left, is just becoming available. But they both need to get out of here, so please consider rescuing these beautiful boys. Thank you.